This is Go MMT Radio.
Go MMT Radio. Hashtag Go.
Powered by Make My Trip, Go IBBO and Redbus.
क्या हुआ है? बधाई हो, गो ट्रिपर हुआ है.
Welcoming new Go Tripper in the family.
Hashtag Go.
It is a show that we are very proud of because we love to make everyone feel at home. Feel like this is a family that they're looking forward to come every day and work with the family members and grow the business together. Making it feel like their own business and everything that they've set out to achieve in their lives, whether it is their goals, ambitions, all of them can be aligned here at MMT. And that is why the show is titled Badhai Ho. And today I am congratulating और मैं बधाई दे रही हूँ गोपाल सेठी को, who's in the online revenue department, 3 months in the system now, coming from a very different background. So this one's completely new to him, but seems like he's loving it already. Gopal, warm welcome to the show.
Thank you. Thanks a lot.
तो इससे पहले सैमसंग में आप एक बिल्कुल अलग कैटेगरी को हैंडल करते थे, मॉडर्न रिटेल कैटेगरी को हैंडल करते थे, कुछ उसके बारे में बताइए.
So at Samsung, I used to handle wearables and accessories. So growing up, we have all been fascinated by smart devices.
Correct.
So my first job was selling that to the customers like me only.
Right.
But the back end of working, I got to understand later when I joined Samsung. It was pretty interesting job. We got to know about the latest product before launches, what pricing would be there. We developed strategies to sell those products. So it was all in all a good learning experience.
Lovely. From there now to a travel industry, बिल्कुल अलग है. ये भी एक किस्म का retail ही है, where you're making these packages and you're kind of selling these packages to the customers directly. But it is still different in terms of processes. So how do you find the change?
I'm liking the change. MMT is a very fast-paced organization when I compare it to Samsung. It gets a bit hectic sometimes, but I'm liking the change.
और सबसे बड़ा चेंज तो ये है, ट्रैवल कंपनी है, आप खुद भी कितना ट्रैवल कर सकते हो. आपको लगता है ये होगा, मुमकिन होगा?
Definitely, I'll travel a lot more than I used to.
Okay.
PPT ऐसे बनाओ कि 4 लोग बोले माशाअल्लाह.
Go MMT Radio. Hashtag Go.
क्या हुआ है? बधाई हो, गो ट्रिपर हुआ है.
Welcoming new Go Tripper in the family.
Hashtag Go.
On the show with Gopal Sethi, उन्हें बधाई देते हुए ये शो कर रही हूँ. He's just joined, it's about 3 months and already enjoying himself. So Gopal, tell us a little bit about your job here at MMT.
I work in International Hotels Revenue Team, and my job primarily involves growing sales for hotels for international category, and I'm really liking the job. There are a lot more nuances to it than I earlier thought, and I'm getting the hang of it. And yes, I think the learning curve has been steep for me, but I think I've gotten things in control right now.
चलिए, because things are in control, because you have exposure to varied industries by now, यहाँ पे तो आप अभी सीख ही रहे हैं. It's time for the very first game, and between Bollywood and GK, you have picked GK. Are you ready for it?
Yes.
Let's start with the very first question. Which planet is known as the red planet?
Mars.
Which animal is known as the king of the jungle?
Lion.
That's correct. In which city is the Eiffel Tower located?
Paris.
Which planet is closest to the sun?
Is it Mercury?
जवाब छोड़ के सवाल पे सवाल. वाह वाह, very good. In which country is the Great Barrier Reef located? Come on, it's down south.
It is in Australia.
That is correct. Okay, and your last question is, what is the national flower of India?
Lotus.
Correct. Well done. क्या बात है गोपाल, आपने ये चुनकर बहुत ही अच्छा काम किया है. जीके चुनकर you've done extremely well.
Hello everyone, this is Leander Pace and you are listening to Go MMT Radio. Head, set, go.
Go MMT Radio. Hashtag Go.
क्या हुआ है? बधाई हो, गो ट्रिपर हुआ है.
Welcoming new Go Tripper in the family.
Hashtag Go.
इट्स बधाई हो और मैं बधाई दे रही हूँ गोपाल को। गुड़गांव में बेस्ड हैं ये और नए नए हैं, तो आजकल जो है क्योंकि आप सीख रहे हैं तो मेरा ख्याल है आपका वक्त जो है ऑफिस में ज्यादा ही होता होगा।
Mostly, yes.
So tell me, immersion and induction programs. I've heard so much about it from everybody. What are your thoughts about it?
I find it really informative, and these kind of immersion programs I haven't been part of in my early career. All the leaders coming with us, interacting with us, getting to understand all lines of businesses, how MMT functions as a whole. So this has been a very enriching experience, and I really liked it.
So there are a lot of good things that this company has promised, and I think everybody at the company really works towards it. So you feel that vibe and energy always active.
Yes. All the fast-paced things, everything's happening. People are working. But one thing I feel really good about this company is, though there's a lot of work, but everyone does it together. So it doesn't feel like one person has all the pressure.
Go MMT Radio.
Channel your creativity and caring to bring a smile to your customer today. Hello, I am Prakash Sangam and you're listening to Go MMT Radio. Head, set, go.
क्या हुआ है? बधाई हो, Go Tripper हुआ है.
Welcoming new Go Tripper in the family.
Head, set, go.
This is Badhai Ho on Go MMT Radio. My name is Annie and I am in conversation with from the online revenue department based out of Gurgaon, Gopal Sethi. Gopal, what are your personal thoughts on travel? मतलब आपको travel करना, दुनिया घूमना, जगह explore करना, ये कितना पसंद है?
I am a big fan of traveling, and I have traveled to mostly 2 countries right now, but in India I've traveled a lot. So I really like to go out and enjoy myself. I especially like mountains and beaches. So those are the go-to destinations for me.
Pick any 2 places that you've been recently, maybe पिछले साल, इस साल या कभी भी जो बहुत मतलब stand out रहा है आपके लिए.
So there were 2 trips that particularly stand out for me. First one was my grad trip in 2023. I went to Vietnam, and that was my first time outside India. And secondly, last year around New Year, I went to Northeast and we went from there as well.
Now it's a difficult comparison. In fact, it's not a justified comparison. One thing that was very unique about Vietnam and one thing that was very unique about Northeast.
Vietnam as a city, as a country, has had a lot of difficult history. Still, they have managed to build their tourism industry pretty well. They did not hide anything, even their past, which was not good as well. Something was that they went through. So everything was depicted very nicely.
Oh, good.
So in Northeast, people were very good, very approachable. Even in the shopkeepers, the rickshaw pullers or the hotel staff, they were all very cordial with us. And that was what really made our trip good.
Oh, nice. I've heard Northeast is also really, really beautiful.
It is very pretty.
And food?
Food was not much of a problem in Northeast. Some of us did not eat non-veg, but more or less it was managed. We used to get a North Indian food here there as well.
As we count down to Christmas, may your days be filled with joy, warmth and festive vibes. Wishing you peace, positivity and lots of happy moments this season.
रिज तुम में है नहीं और अपना बढ़ा लो ना. स्किबिडी सा अपना है ये गो एमएमटी रेडियो. ओहायो में हमने बनाया 6-7 years चलेगा. लबूबू लेके बैठो, माचा पी लो, ड्रिप पहनो और सुनो गो एमएमटी रेडियो.
So what are you guys talking about?
Go MMT Radio. Head, set, go.
क्या हुआ है? बधाई हो, Go Tripper हुआ है.
Welcoming new Go Tripper in the family.
Head, set, go.
My name is Annie, this is Badhai Ho and you're listening to Go MMT Radio. I'm in conversation with Gopal Sethi from the online revenue department. Gopal, ये game भी बड़ा मजेदार है. It's called Wrong Answers Only. You've got to think of anything silly to answer. Do you think you can do that?
I think I can.
The rapid fire round.
Where does the sun rise from?
West.
Okay. What is water made of?
It is made up of carbon.
Okay. What is the opposite of hot?
Opposite of hot is plastic.
Okay, good. What do we wear on our feet?
We wear a cap.
How many fingers do we have?
25.
Who is the Prime Minister of America?
Narendra Modi.
Where does a plane fly?
Inside the ocean.
What is a laptop used for?
Playing cricket.
Who sang the song Shape of You?
Shankar Madhavan.
And the last question, what do you see in a mirror?
Annie.
Oh, well done. Kya baat hai, Bhopal. Nailed it, huh?
Thank you.
Thank you so much. I hope you enjoyed this time too.
Yes, definitely.
This conversation and making you more comfortable and more welcome into the MMT family. So all the very best. Hope that all your dreams here at MMT come true.
Thank you. Yes.
Gopal Sethi from the Online Revenue Department. He's based out of Gurgaon. He's now part of the MMT family. The show's called Badhai Ho. My name is Annie. With that, it is a wrap. I will be back with yet another show 2 days later with something called as Love Aajkal. Till then, you've got to stay tuned and also keep traveling and keep that smile going.
To listen to your favorite Go MMT radio from anywhere, follow us on YouTube, LinkedIn, and Instagram. Visit the Go MMT radio page for daily updates and enjoy listening to your favorite radio channel.
Go MMT Radio. Head, set, go.
Powered by Make My Trip, Go IB Bo, and Redbus.